So Tim, system partner, what does it all mean?
Well, Lyndsey, system partner, I guess, is encapsulated in the second word, partner, because what we want to do is work with our customers as partners to help them improve productivity and simplify procurement to help them to be more successful.
But how are you actually going to do this?
So the whole concept really is built around focusing on the areas that have the biggest material impact on our customers' success. So to give you some context around that, obviously we have a huge range of products, there are 90,000 products in the catalogue, and it goes without saying that we have to be competitive in the marketplace on those products. And, you know, with the size of the business, that's something we can deliver. However, the real opportunity is not just to focus on the product, but look at how that product is used and how it is procured. As an example for that, if you was to take the typical cost of a production facility, let's say that about 30% of that cost is tied up in the establishment, the infrastructure, insurances, etc., which are static in effect. But only 4% is the actual cost of the products consumed during the production process. So that's tooling, equipment, PPE, etc. Leaving over 60% of the actual production process that can be improved, looking at ways to save money through time, through labour, through different equipment that's been used, which has a material impact. So you could focus on saving 10% of 4%, which is piece price, or you could focus on saving 10% of 60%, which will have a material impact on the success and profitability of a business.
So how are you doing it? How are you working all of this, calculation out?
Well, basically we have a process where we report on different projects. We can do an assessment of what products are being purchased now and what would be maybe better, what could reduce cycle time, what could mean less usage, so the actual cost of ownership reduces. And then bringing that all together into one, solution means that it's traceable, it's quantifiable, and it can be really looked at in pound notes terms.
Right, system partnership with so many products, you're working very, very closely. So how are you doing this? How have you got the experts?
So what we've done, we've invested in making sure we have technical expertise in each of the product areas that we can provide. And we also invest from an overall group perspective in looking at how technology and products need to improve in the coming years to make sure we continue to deliver those benefits. So it's not really just about being a Me Too supplier, it's trying to find true solutions, because if we can make our customers more successful, then by default that helps us be more successful as well. And that's a partnership in my opinion.
Definitely. Thanks, Tim.